Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today we're diving into the much-awaited Apple Watch Ultra 3, the next-generation rugged smartwatch that's built for adventurers, athletes, and those who want more from their wrist. Tech. With whispers of satellite connectivity, blood pressure tracking, and a blazing new chip, the big question is it worth the hype? Let's break it all down. A rugged evolution. What's new in the Ultra 3? The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is rumored to drop in September 2025, likely alongside the iPhone 17 series. Though delays pushed it from its originally expected 2024 launch, this may have allowed Apple to fine-tune what could be their most ambitious watch yet. Leaks from trusted sources suggest major upgrades in durability, performance, and health monitoring, making it the perfect companion for extreme outdoor challenges. Design: familiar. Yet refined, Apple is sticking with its proven titanium build, offering unmatched strength while keeping things surprisingly lightweight. A larger 2.12-inch display is in the works, giving you more space to navigate and track data. Expect returning features like the iconic orange action button and a slightly larger digital crown for better grip, even with gloves on. While the bulky size still divides opinion, it's clearly designed for those who push limits, not for minimalists. Color. Leaks point to a new brownish silver variant, while black titanium is expected to stay a fan favorite. Display. Brighter, smarter viewing. While microLED is off the table for now, Apple is said to use a more advanced LTPO3 OLED screen, offering up to 40% more brightness and improved power efficiency. This is a big plus for those out in harsh sun or exploring underwater environments. It's not revolutionary, but it's an important quality of life improvement for outdoor visibility. Performance. Power. Under the hood. The core of the Ultra 3 is the rumored S10 chip, with a quad-core neural engine designed to handle advanced machine learning and smart features more efficiently. While RAM is still expected to stay under 8 GB, the chip should make the watch snappier and more intelligent in day-to-day use. Pair it with a newer iPhone, and you'll unlock deeper integration with Apple's expanding AI ecosystem. Connectivity. Going off-grid now, here's where it gets exciting. Satellite communication might finally arrive on the Apple Watch. You'll be able to send SOS alerts and messages even in remote, no-signal zones. Ideal for hikers, campers, or international travelers. Additionally, support for 5G RedCap, a lightweight version of 5G, is likely to enhance connectivity while keeping battery use minimal. That means faster data, improved calls, and better navigation, even without an iPhone nearby. Health features: a smarter pulse on your body. One of the most talked about features is blood pressure monitoring. While not a replacement for professional devices, it could give early warnings for hypertension and allow better day-to-day tracking. Features like blood oxygen monitoring may be region-restricted due to ongoing legal issues in the US, but are expected to function in other markets. Fans are also hoping for hydration tracking and non-invasive glucose monitoring, but these may still be a few generations away. Battery life. More efficient, same power. The Ultra 3 is expected to deliver 36 hours of regular use and up to 72 hours in low power mode, similar to the previous model. However, with the efficient chip and new display tech, battery optimization should get even better, especially for multi-day excursions. watchOS 12. What's coming? Running on the upcoming watchOS 12, the Ultra 3 will introduce smarter software features, likely with new AI-assisted tools. These enhancements will complement the hardware, especially for health monitoring and on-the-go productivity. And if paired with an iPhone 17 or newer, you could have what some call a wrist-based digital health assistant always at the ready. Price and position: premium and proud, expected to start at $799, the Ultra 3 remains in the premium smartwatch tier. For adventurers, endurance athletes, or anyone craving next-gen wearable tech, it promises unmatched value with durability, connectivity, and advanced health tools in one package. Band compatibility. Will old straps work? One concern is whether older bands will still fit. Most signs point to continued compatibility, though some third-party straps might not be fully optimized. Apple likely won't alienate its existing user base here. Final thoughts. Should you wait? If you already own the Ultra 2, the jump to Ultra 3 may not be a must, unless you need satellite messaging or blood pressure tracking. But if you're new to the rugged smartwatch game, this could be the best time to invest. With powerful updates, in health tech, better connectivity, and serious outdoor-ready performance, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be one of the most compelling smartwatches Apple has ever created. Stay tuned to Technology in the Future for more exclusive updates on Apple, smartwatches, and the future of wearable tech.